Right, that little drone should be fully charged with the replacement battery, but remember the replacement battery comes from a toy that was probably 5 or 6 years old anyway, so don't expect a miracle. We're using the hat camera now, obviously. So, lights on. Okay, looks like we're working. Tricks. Again, hang on, over there a bit. Doesn't like doing tricks much, does it? Loses a lot of height. Blue lights at the front are flashing. I don't know what that means. Could always read the instructions, I suppose. See if you can get a picture in the mirror. Now the back lights are flashing, so I expect that means the battery's run down. So we managed to get a replacement battery in there, but it's not lasting significantly longer, is it? Yeah, I'm nearly on full throttle now, just to keep it in the air. Wonder if we can manage a landing. Missed. Oh, that's what happened last time. Oh. It's just climbing. Right, well, I don't know if that was in camera shot, because I know the hat camera points a bit higher than I'm looking. But we did manage to take off and land on the, well, we use it as a table, but I think it's actually a chair. And both lights are flashing now. So, well, we changed the battery, so we can claim that's a success, but whether the new battery was any good or not, doesn't look like it was much better, does it? I'll have to check the run time on the video to see how long it did last. but I don't think we did much more than we did with the original battery. And I think if we try again, that's not going to go anywhere. Ah. Give it a second to rest, see if we can get it to pick up again. That's just not fair. Oh dear me. It looks like if I give it a few seconds to rest, we get a bit more power out of the battery. No. Oh, we've lost the propeller. That's why we're not getting up now. Where did that go? Where did that go? Oh well, never mind. That's enough flying around for now. I will find the propeller and I'll put it back on. Found it. Have one last try, up and down. Haha, got there in the end. Well, there we go. We'll put that back on charge and I'll probably play with it a bit more, but that'll do for the video. So swapping that one, which is a bit puffy, for that one out of whatever it was. We have got a flying quad, even though it only lasts for a matter of minutes. That'll do. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.